If I could be directionally right, I'd be winning a lot more trades. You're on a smaller time frame, which introduces just more noise, more possibilities. While it remains 50-50 because it is just red and green, you're introducing a whole lot more as far as the number game goes. Just those quick wicks being thrown out, the quick reverses intraday, but like ultimately on the daily, it's just fine. You know, like you were bullish today and you took L's, and today was just a bright green day. But look at that wick to the downside. See Friday, 100-point range on ES. I'd rather be directionally right a few times a day with a tight stop than shake an 8-ball for the world is ending or all-time highs 35 days from now. Everyone trades differently. Remember, they're all different strategies. Just how are you going to deploy it? That's all. Smaller time frame, I'd argue you have more accuracy in this market. No, you don't. Too much noise. Now, in this trend, yeah, that was a cakewalk. But when this candle was bright red, before that close, it kind of looked like a reversal. When you went short there and put a stop right above that, you might have got a couple of points out of there. But full-blown reversal right here, just kidding, went right back up again. Really think we're going for it? Comes back down. Oh, that's a bearish candle. You got 15 more minutes of red. That was it. And then just went to the most insane. So you're on a smaller time frame. You're putting stops this far away, not this far away. You're not trading the whole entire zone when you're inside this. So you can really, I don't want to shut it down, but I'm saying you just introduce more possibilities of that. You catch one of these right here, kind of like I did. It was a great day just because I was long, but I just didn't really hug it tight. You know, I just let it go and gave it some breathing room, and it panned out. It could have easily just come up like this, come right back down, and I tagged out at the same loss. I will say taking the longer dated plays is a lot more relaxing. Yeah, because you got to make a decision daily, not every 15 minutes. Let your stop make the decision for you. Yeah, no, you guys aren't wrong. It's just which game at the arcade or the carnival are you gonna play? You know, when you use those zones done, are you normally on the 1 hour for those directional moves or 4 hour? Yellow zones are 4 hour, 4 hour and daily. So I like my entries 4 hour and daily. Then management mode, I'm on the hourly. So I'll be watching kind of like right here. Hourly trend is up, so I'm still good. Now on futures though, I love the 15-minute time frame for intraday. And that's kind of where I'm at on futures. Is just this 15-minute time frame. Now coming into this zone right here, there's times I give it the full zone. That's a lot of money for just even one ES contract. But I still pay attention to these kind of smaller trends intraday. I just take it to, all right, so we're coming into this zone. I'm trying to cover up there we go. So we're coming into this zone. The trend is down. It's rocking and rolling south. I just have it in the back of my mind that, hey, we could find some buyers right here. This could get snappy. So if I saw a bright red candle like this, I'm not trailing on the 15-minute candles. Usually I'm a couple candles behind. This, I'm starting to like, we could find buyers here, here, or here. You know, are we going to get in the meat of this zone, the type 2, the type 1? I'm going to start trailing this one a little bit tighter. This candle probably would have paid out until about over here. But yeah, like coming into the top like this, all right, I'm trailing. We could find sellers. I might start trailing this one a little bit tighter. We could see that reversal. Time to start making decisions, but when I see this base, maybe that's a type 2 right there, so I would go short right there at the stop above that wick. Still would have tagged out, but that's kind of where I'm at. Now, if we go to the 4 hour, where were we at? Was that over here? I said it looks like it kind of came up, came right back down. But the 15 minutes, we spent some time up there. We looked around, got a good view, then came back down.